reveal my secret place. So now I'm sketching up a treasure map in all the colors of your face. I'm gonna give it to you. I'm sure you'll find a way. The brightest color is you. My beam of golden lights are yours. My hands can touch the clouds, it's not that hard. My head is twirling round among the stars. My eyes can view the earth now from afar. I am an astronaut, believe me. And I'll go anywhere I want. The brightest